That I was mentioning a matter upon notice. My
Mentioning date is Monday, Mr. Bhattacharya.
It's a very urgent.
Yes, what is the urgency?
Milord, this is a matter, Milord, where your lordship heard the matter. Person was working in CISF. He was declared unfit by the hospital as well as the army authority, the department concerned. Now, even then, Milord, he was, and the observation of the particular army hospital is, you should not do hard work. But even then, Milord, he has been assigned work, and which is the same as the hard work. And he made a prayer, kindly give me any assignment in the administrative side or wherever there is a particular, Milord,
When this assignment was given?
this assignment was given কবে দিয়েছে
কি
এই অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট
এই last day 3 or 4 months back.
3 or 4 months back.
Months back. So therefore, tell your junior to mention on Monday.
Monday?
Yes.
But Milord, kindly, your lordship may kindly.
Yes.
My lord, I am
Kindly.
my lord. My lord, I am mentioning
This is not the mentioning date.
correction the name of the advocate for the state, my lord, only this.
That I do not permit. Next occasion you give the correct name, that will be included. Sorry. Sorry. Yes. What is the urgency? Why you are mentioning? Today is not the mentioning date.
I'm in deep trouble because I think about 30 to 43 law copies that have been filed, but the copies that from that is why you can't serve these copies upon the respondent.
So what this court will do?
Take subset copy of the order.
That when matter will come up, you indicate. Sorry. All the list.
Monday I shall mention.
No, that correction I do not entertain.
My lord, wrongly I appear, my lord. My name is Bhakti.
দেখি দাও তো কি বলছে।
Only one spelling typographical mistake, my lord. In place of B, has been S, my lord.
Yes.
My name is Bhakti. Appear Shakti. Is
tomorrow to be mentioned করে দাও তো। 4th December. 4th December order. It will take some time. Not next Monday we mentioned.
Your lordship, may I be allowed?
Please not a mentioning date. Sorry. Call the list.
Item number 1.
Lordship, I beg to appear on behalf of the respondent. Lordship, on the last occasion.
Just a minute. Yes, supplementary affidavit.
Lordship. Honorable.
Exception.
Though my learned senior is filing,
Where is the request?
Lordship.
Where is the request that not to transfer him to Chennai?
Yes, yes, Your Lordship. It is appearing at page
8.
page 8, Your Lordship. Page 9.
Yes, you have requested. Last
Yes.
occasion you have
Page 9.
submitted.
Page
You
9.
submitted that there was no request.
Yes, my request was, with regard to the second transfer, there was no request. In respect of one transfer, there was a request.
I remember what you submitted last occasion. Yes,
Lordship
where is
has
the
record-
chronological transfer orders?
Because the chronological transfer orders are appearing at page, starts from page 12 and 13.
What is page 7?
Page 7, Lordship, the transfer order from Central Office Legal Department to, with reference to above such and such, Asansol to FGM is posted to Legal Department, Central Office. It was the order of transfer. Thereafter, he made a request to modify the same. Now see page 12 and 13.
Where it is? Page 7, corporate office, legal department, corporate office as senior manager.
Lordship, here's the transfer order number such and such, dear receipt, transfer order number such and such.
29 June 2024.
Yes, yes. Thereafter, he has made a request appearing at page 8 and 9.
So is it a transfer to Chennai?
It was a
page
transfer to
7.
Chennai. Yes. Transfer to Chennai. Thereafter, request was made on page 8 and 9.
Yes.
Considering the same, page 11, the respondent bank has duly modified the same by 29th of August 2024 order.
Page 11.
Page 11. At the very bottom in the very small letters, 29th of August 2024. Order dated. Let's see, his transfer to Chennai was modified to.
Where? Page 11.
Let's see, page 11. First of all, from the
Request
top-
action modify,
Yes,
then
modified,
posted as so and so TDA joining eligible comments.
yes. And
Where is the
thereafter,
place of transfer?
the
Management.
place of transfer is, your lordship, the current location, zonal office, Asansol.
No, page 11, where he has been transferred, where it is stated.
Yes,
Current location, zonal office.
yes,
Now,
Asansol.
from Asansol, he was transferred to Chennai.
Central office legal.
Same Chennai, but that was modified. On modification, page 11 was issued,
Yes.
and where he was transferred.
So,
Page
zonal
11.
office, Chusuda.
Where from you are getting this?
Just below the next sentence of modified.
Yes. And it is the dated. Where is the date?
Lordship, at the very bottom of the letter, a very small letter, it is micro letter, 29th of August 2024.
Where are the other transfer orders?
The other transfer orders, your lordship, the entire money he's during service period starts from page 12.
Yes.
His data is there, and page 13, the chronology is there.
Page 13. On
Page 13. The chronology of his transfer. From where to where and how many month or year. Career path. From there, lordship will find in the table.
first transfer order is dated 23rd of September 2013.
23rd of September 2013, subject to correction, it was the date of his joining.
Date of
His joining.
joining.
And it will be evident from page 12 at the right hand side, just below his photographs. Date of joining is
Then second, it is joining. Then the first transfer order date is 24th of September 2013.
yes.
Next date.
Thereafter, your lordship, just above,
Oh, hiring and then joining.
yes.
23rd of September, then joined on 24th of September, then management transfer on 8 July 2014. Corporate office, where to where he was transferred?
Corporate office. This is
8
Delhi.
July 2014
Delhi. Corporate office.
from Central branch office. Central.
The first column is the place of his transfers.
Where he was initially appointed in Bhopal.
Initially, yes, your lordship.
Initially in Bhopal.
KMO legal department, Bhopal.
Then Bhopal to corporate office R1.
Yes.
Where it is corporate office?
What's the corporate office?
In Bhopal or in Kolkata?
See, the corporate office number is here.
This is
Name is
Bhopal,
not
Bhopal.
very-
FGMO Central Bhopal. On the left hand side.
Left hand side.
Yes.
From central office, from central Bhopal,
This is in
then
Bhopal.
then corporate office R1. Again another transfer order 23rd of September 2014.
This is head office. This means Calcutta.
Head office means Kolkata.
Yes.
let's-
Previously.
It would be evident from the chart which we
No. Please come to page
Page 5.
13.
Page 5.
Please
yes.
come to page 13.
Yes.
Demonstrate it.
Yes,
Clarify it. First transfer order, he was appointed on 24th of September 2013, and then 8 July 2013, 2014 was first transfer order from Central Bhopal to corporate office, where this corporate office situates. Against 8 July 2014.
To corporate office.
Where?
Bhopal.
What's the Bhopal, in Bhopal itself? Because the second column is the name of
Very
the-
well, it is Bhopal. Then 23rd of September 2014, transfer head office to corporate office.
This is
Where-
an erroneous entry. That is
Where is the head office?
the name
Calcutta.
is not appearing, the code is here. your lordship.
Calcutta.
Code doesn't know the
Certain-
code.
certain-
You
certain-
tell me.
Yes. 29th of September 2014. 23rd of September. In Kolkata, your lordship.
So when he was transferred from Bhopal to Kolkata, That is not there.
From Bhopal to Kolkata.
8 July 2014, he was in Bhopal corporate office
Yes.
by transfer. Then when from Bhopal to Kolkata he was transferred, where is the indication?
Lordship, his tenure in Bhopal from 8th of July 2020, 2014 to 22 of September 2014. 1 month, 15 days. Appearing at page 5, where the bank has demonstrated the
Next,
chart.
next entry is erroneous. That is why I.
Lordship, thereafter from Bhopal
From Bhopal to Kolkata, where
on
is that?
23rd of September 2014.
So that is not there.
Lordship, in chart, which the bank has, kindly see page 5.
No,
Of
court
the
has to
application.
consider it from this page.
Yes, page 13.
Court will not go here and there.
Certainly.
Yes, that's why court granted you leave to file a supplementary affidavit.
Yes. Lordship,
Where is the movement from Bhopal to Kolkata?
Lordship, may I? 23rd of September 2014 to from 2. Satisfactory performance.
Please don't waste court's time.
Lordship.
If you are not ready, then give me, then produce another document, but indicating all the movements that court wants.
Well, I shall no issue, but I have demonstrated page 5. But
Court wants these chronological transfers.
subject to a Lordship kind consideration.
When court will get it?
Lordship, I have filed. I have to take instructions. The chronology as a
Because it says, please try to understand what court wants. Petitioners firstly appointed in Bhopal. Then first transfer was Central Office, Central Bhopal, as Mr. Lydi has rightly pointed out, FGMO Central Bhopal to Corporate Office. It is not there, but Bhopal.
Yes.
Bhopal. Then Head Office Kolkata. Both of you are submitting.
No.
So where is the movement from Bhopal to Kolkata?
This is erroneous.
Yes, sir. Bhopal
My
to
contention
Kolkata.
is this is erroneous in their
What's the
system. I
Bhopal
have
to
documents to show.
Lordship, Bhopal to Kolkata.
Where is the movement?
If I compare the chart from page 5 to 13, side by side, 5 to 13, there the bank, I will demonstrate the page 13 as well also, but I am finding the chronology in accordance with page 13, page 5. There the chart here.
No, not this. You not
Let
by
this continue.
separate orders. I want a table of movement where the movements are all indicated chronologically.
So the chronology,
Like this.
yes.
But it appears to be erroneous. Page 13.
Page 13, yes.
So you have added all the transfer orders that I do not want.
Yes.
Because in order to collate all these things, I want a table where chronology is given relating to movement of the petitioner on transfer.
Yes. From the chart,
When you will file it? No, not from. Where is the chart? Already this movement from Bhopal to Kolkata is not clear. Shall I direct your general manager to appear before me?
Lordship, may I?
Yes.
Subject to Lordship, kindly see the last table, page 13. Page 13.
I want this movement from Bhopal to Kolkata.
Yes, very much appearing, Your Lordship.
Where
kindly.
it is?
Kindly, Your Lordship. The last fourth column, last third and fourth, kindly take together. There, the
This is
third
from
column,
24th September joining.
Lordship, Bhopal is
Then 8 July 2014
yes,
from Central Bhopal to Corporate Office Bhopal.
yes.
Then Head Office, how he went
Head
to
office
Head Office.
Kolkata on 23rd of September he joined.
Where is indicated?
Lordship, in the just above column, on 23rd of September.
That should be in the below column because it is in the ascending order.
Yes, ascending order.
Ascending order, but it is not there.
But Your Lordship, though the Kolkata is not there, but here the period of his joining 23rd of September 2014 to 31st of July 2016. Lordship, kindly see the last fourth column.
I want chronological
Ascending order.
movement and stay at the transferred post.
Lordship,
Not in this fashion. Not in this fashion.
because this is the chart which the petitioner is also relying upon.
Court is not ready to rely upon this chart. What court directed video order, you have to produce it.
Yes, sir. The order subject to Your Lordship, kind consideration. Your Lordship,
23rd of September 2014 from
31st of July.
23rd of September 2014 joined.
Yes.
I am a very slow person. I'm not as fast as you are.
Lordship.
23rd of September 24th of September petitioner joined.
Yes.
Then on 8 July 2014, petitioner moved from Central Bhopal to Central Office Bhopal to Corporate Office Bhopal.
The corporate office Kolkata, Your Lordship.
It's not Bhopal.
It's not Bhopal. Bhopal, his tenure was only for the period 8th of July 2014 to 22nd of September 2014. From and to.
But joined on 24th September 2013 in Bhopal.
23rd of September 2013, Your Lordship, he
Joined on
joined in
24th
Kolkata. Kolkata.
24th September 2013 in Kolkata.
Joined in
Bhopal.
Kolkata. Thereafter, he, Lordship, on 24th of September joined in Bhopal. Joined in Kolkata. Thereafter, he has been sent to join Bhopal office. Bhopal office on 24th of September. Just next day.
That is 24th September.
24th September to
23rd was the appointment.
Yes.
Then 24th joined Bhopal.
Bhopal. Thereafter,
That is
to
Corporate Office Bhopal.
corporate, sir, he has,
Yes.
yes,
KMO Legal Department to Corporate Office Bhopal.
yes.
Then next
Next is Kolkata.
just a minute, 8 July 2014
It
from
Kolkata.
Central Bhopal.
Yes, from
Central
Bhopal,
Bhopal
yes.
to Corporate Office.
Bhopal. From Bhopal,
Yes, from Central Bhopal to Corporate Office.
yes.
Sir?
Corporate office Kolkata.
It is not Bhopal.
It is not Bhopal. The period is only 8th of July.
I don't
2000.
want period.
It is
Please,
not Bhopal. It is
what court is wanting, try to answer this.
It is Kolkata, Your Lordship.
So from Central Bhopal to Kolkata
Yes,
on 8 July 2014.
Lordship.
Then from 23rd of September 2014,
His tenure was in Kolkata.
just a minute, on 23rd of September 2014, head office to corporate office. But he was transferred to Kolkata corporate office. How head office comes?
Lordship, may I? Lordship, 23rd of September 2013, date of joining in Kolkata.
Please concentrate on this, on
Yes.
these two lines.
Yes.
Please don't start from A.
No. Thereafter,
28th of July 2014 from Bhopal to corporate office Kolkata.
no, Lordship. On 8th of July 2014 to 22nd of September, the
From
next
8
column.
July, again I am asking you, from
Yes, sir.
8 July 2014 from Central Bhopal to corporate office at Kolkata.
23rd of September
Where 8 July, from 8 July
to
22nd September,
in
on
Bhopal.
8 July he was transferred to from Central Bhopal to corporate office Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Yes. Then on 23rd September, head office,
Kolkata. He was in Kolkata.
head office to
Kolkata.
corporate office.
Head office, Lordship, head office to corporate office Kolkata.
Both are Kolkata.
Yes, Lordship, kindly see. Lordship, may I assist?
I
you,
am
Lordship?
making note. So head office to Kolkata, head office Kolkata to corporate office Kolkata.
May I assist you, Lordship?
No, I don't require any assistance. I want answer.
I'm answering.
On 23rd of September 2014, head office Kolkata to corporate office Kolkata.
Head office Kolkata, his tenure 23rd of
I don't want any tenure.
Yes. From Kolkata to New Delhi. Thereafter. On 1st of August,
23rd of September 2014,
he was in Kolkata.
head office to corporate office. Which corporate office?
Kolkata, Lordship.
So that is court who is asking you.
Lordship, Kolkata.
So from head office Kolkata to corporate office Kolkata,
Lordship.
then he worked there up to 31st of July 2016.
Lordship.
Then on 1st August 2016,
He was in
it's a
Delhi.
large New Delhi.
Yes. Till 28th of August.
So where is the movement from Kolkata to Delhi?
Movement Kolkata to Delhi was, Lordship, he was still in Kolkata 31st of July 16.
No,
From first-
head office Kolkata to corporate office Kolkata on 23rd of September to 31st of July.
Lordship,
Then from 1st of August, where is the movement?
from 1st of August, Lordship, appearing in the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th column from the bottom.
No, if I accept your contention,
Ascending order.
if I accept your contention that on up to 31st of July 2016, petitioner was in corporate office Kolkata.
Lordship.
Then next date is 1st of August 2016. It says SAM Large New Delhi
Yes.
to Zonal Office Delhi South Recovery Cell.
Yes.
No, then where is the movement from Kolkata to Delhi?
Let's say that 31st of July 2016, he was
Where is that indication regarding
Lordship.
this movement?
just below 23rd of September 2014 to 31st of July 2016, he was in Delhi.
Yes, that is apparent.
Yes.
But where is the
And
movement?
immediately he
Where is the movement from 8th of July 2014 from Kolkata to Delhi?
from 31st of July to 1st of August, Your Lordship.
Where is the movement
Your
from,
Lordship, it is
from
just
from-
above.
Where is the movement on 31st of July or 1st of August from Kolkata to Delhi?
From Kolkata to Delhi, it is from 31st of July, he was in Delhi and he got transferred.
No, you have just said from Kolkata office, from head office Kolkata to corporate office Kolkata.
From
Up
head
to
office
31st of
Kolkata,
July.
Yes, yes.
So thereafter from corporate office Kolkata to Delhi, where is the movement?
Let's say the 1st of August,
No,
not in dispute.
it
This
says-
chart is not in deficit.
it says New Delhi, large New Delhi to
Let's see,
Delhi.
the first column is branches where he was, kindly see the above table, the header, the branches of
Perhaps you do not get me. From 23rd of September 2014 to 31st of July 2016, he worked in corporate office Kolkata.
Yes, not in dispute, Your
Up-
Lordship. Lordship.
Why you talk so much
Lordship.
and taking so much time?
Lordship.
From 23rd of September 2014 to 31st of July 2016, he was in corporate office Kolkata.
Lordship.
Then the next date is shown from 1st of August 2016 to 27th of August 2017.
Lordship.
It is stated there that from New Delhi to New Delhi.
Yes.
Quote once, where is the movement from Kolkata to New Delhi?
Lordship, 1st August.
Where is that order?
Your Lordship, this is the chart of his career.
I forgot about chart. Where is that order?
Your Lordship, the order, if Your Lordship,
Where is that order?
the pass by the transfer order.
Yes, where is that?
Then I shall file the same.
Unnecessarily you are wasting court's time.
No, that is not the intention.
I have said that it is not in proper order.
Lordship, subject to Your Lordship kind consideration, if Your Lordship, what Your Lordship is bound by upon the respondent. Lordship, there was a direction to produce the chronology of his transfer. The bank.
What does it mean? Does it mean that you will skip
No,
certain
certainly
stages?
not, certainly,
Then,
certainly not.
then where is the order?
Lordship,
Where is the movement from Kolkata to Delhi?
the movement
order.
Kolkata to Delhi, which I have.
Is it there?
Yes.
Is it there?
The order, each transfer order, Your Lordship,
Sure.
I have annexed. A
In terms of
chronology
the order
in
dated
dispute.
20th November 2025, court directed to file a supplementary affidavit.
Lordship, kindly appreciate this chart is not in dispute by the
Court
petitioner.
directed to file supplementary affidavit to disclose certain things, including all transfer orders of the petitioner chronologically. Stop. Next file. From the document annexed at page 13 to the supplementary affidavit, court finds that chronological disclosure of there is no chronological disclosure of transfer orders. For example, from the said chart at page 13, it appears petitioner worked in Kolkata from 8 July 2014 to 29th of 8 July 2014 to 22nd September 2014. But from 23rd September 2014, it is shown that petitioner was in আরেকবার বলো তো for example থেকে Now, for example, as per said chart, as per said chart, petitioner worked in Kolkata from 23rd September 2014 to 31st of July 2016. And thereafter, it is shown that petitioner was in Delhi on and from 1st August 2016 to 27th August 2017. But nothing is shown how petitioner moved or petitioner was transferred from Kolkata to Delhi. Stop. Court wants an exhaustive chart showing movements of the petitioner on transfer from the date of his appointment. Stop. Let such a chart be produced on the next date. List the matter under the same heading for further consideration on 7th January 2026.
And my lord, while giving that chart, they will take into account page 4 of my supplementary affidavit. I have annexed one of the transfer orders. Let them take into account. They will.
Yes.
I have annexed one of the transfer orders, which will dispute this this chronology. So while giving the chart,
First, let them satisfy this court with regard to chronology.
The copy has not been served.
এটা দেয় কালকে
না,
দিয়েছে।
শুধু word file দিয়েছে।
But one thing is clear, Mr. Lahiri, that there was a request. As you submitted that no request was made.
Yes,
The
there were
written
two
request
transfers.
not to transfer him to Chennai. And that was accepted and modified.
Yes.
And he was transferred from Asansol to Chinchula.
For thereafter,
So that was not a correct submission you made on last occasion.
The next transfer was not on request. First transfer was not.
That will create difficulty because once your application was considered by this by the bank authority.
Yes.
But let me see how many movements are made.
Yes.
Because you have taken a point from the guidelines that there are three years,
Yes.
there should be no transfer.
Yes.
And after that, petitioner's transfer can be considered.
Yes.
Come back. Are you enjoying any interim protection? No. Because your transfer order has not been given
Without pay.
without pay.
Even division bench also declined to pass any interim order, Your Lordship, in appeal.
Decline, but
In
in any
appeal.
case, let them come back. Because if I pay for stay of operation and all these things, then in that case, at the end of the day, if I do not succeed, so the court will come up heavy on me. So therefore, so that I am not only one chart. If they can produce according to the guidelines, they are supposed to maintain a chart where they are supposed to show the vacancies. That chart, if they can produce the vacancies in accordance with
Well, let me see. Let
Yes.
them produce the chart.
Obliged,
that
Your
chart
Lordship.
would be because they are not maintaining that chart.
Yes, next matter.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
She may kindly records that they should not count this period as an unauthorized
How, Your Lordship? Division bench
Let
declined.
me enter into the merit of the matter.
Kindly remembers this.
No,
but I'm not
yes,
praying-
because this order was passed in terms of the order of the Honorable Division Bench.
Yes. Moment we pray for stay and all these things.
That was
thereafter,
declined.
While the stay is being vacated, if I lose at the end of the day, I am always I always take into account the negative side. So therefore, the court may say that you have been enjoying stay, so therefore I'll not be giving.
Yes, yes.
Kindly
Obliged, with Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
The order of the appellate authority is page 21.
Mr. Lahiri, let this same order be passed.
Order, same order.
Like Devashish.
Order has been annexed at page.
No,
Order of this court?
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Page
That-
28.
My lord, page 28,
11,
26, 11, 3rd December order of this matter. 3rd December.
3rd
order.
December, you have annexed.
No, I have not annexed.
Why page
Yes,
28 order? Well,
My
not?
lord, that is, it has been detagged and thereafter by this order, I am, this order enabling me to file the fresh writ application.
Yes.
That's
but
why I have
then
annexed.
where is the
Only order
order?
annexed?
Last order.
Yes, yes.
This is another contentious issue.
আছে তোর কাছে অর্ডার আছে নেটে তো সবারই আছে
What is the measurement of your height? Yes, page 21.
169.5.
169.5.
No requirement of any supplementary affidavit because you're next that.
It should be 170 centimeter.
170, right.
Whether this supplementary
8 and
affidavit,
9 not required.
supplementary affidavit is not required.
In this matter is not required. But I have factual aspect I have demonstrated, but judgment I have not announced.
Issue.
But one more. One. His 15th May will be 20th May.
Two things. It would be 20th May and 170 centimeters. My lord.
20th.
No. 20th.
ওরে বদলে কি লেখা আছে?
As on revised guidelines, as on May 2015, but the notification is of the 20th May, by which But I think as on May 2015. This is the office memo, 20th May. Item number 3. 169.5, page 21.
We continue for some time.
Page 21, my lord, appellate authority order. 169.5.
নামগুলো দেখ না উল্টো পাল্টা হয়ে গেছে।
কোনটা গেল? No, 169.7, page 21.
Yes, all are 20.7.
7.
এরপরে সুজয় তো আস্তে 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 আস্তে।
Item number 4. Sujoy Shaha. 160.
Page 19.
Page 19, 169.7. Item number 5.
Ramu Vishal.
Somu Bishwas, page 21, my lord, 169.8.
21.
21.
Eight.
Item number 6.
Amol.
Shamol Mondal,
Page
my lord,
21.
page 21. Height is 169.5.
Page 21.
Item number 7.
নাম দেওয়া আছে।
Bappai Ghosh, page 21, my lord, appellate authority 169.5. 21. $169.5.
আর নেই তো।
Mala. But that order may be corrected on that day when the matter would come up. I shall remember. Grateful to you.
Oblige me. হাতলে যখন হবে তখন হবে।
Item number 8.
His Lordship, I am for the petition led by Mr. Mola Bhattacharya, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this matter relates to. Yes, Your Lordship, last occasion, Mr. Bajpayee appeared, Lokesh Bajpayee. And Your Lordship, his junior was also there. Mr. Pola Bhattacharya was just now here, Your Lordship. Pola Bhattacharya was here just now, Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
Just a minute. Yes, who is appearing for the Union of India? You are appearing?
No, Mr. Bajpayee is appealing.
Inform them, inform Mr. Bajpayee not today.
My Lord, he's on leg at courtroom number 1. My Lord, clerk is saying.
Not today.
Right.
Item number 9.
My lord, may I appear? My lord, last occasion, my lord has put forward an query whether
Yes.
yes, that was my lord. Correct, my lord's observation that he is under his father. My lord, although my lord ends the merit, that is a dispute whether the
Just a minute.
yes. Under directorate.
Now, Director of Dairy Development is a separate entity.
Yes.
Or
Dairy
is a,
Commissioner-
or is a the service of the father of the petitioner was governed by West Bengal service rules.
yeah, that is service rule, and it will be my lord, under the administrative.
West Bengal administrative tribunal.
Right.
Approach the administrative tribunal.
Yes, and but
The appointment on compassionate ground.
no, not that. He is claiming that this Rampurichan Horijan to be his father. Although the inquiry after investigation found that he is not his father, this person.
Claiming for father for
Claiming some certain retirement benefits that this near relatives are disputing. That is the situation. My lord, only my lord, observation that he is claiming, but that is whether he is father, that has been disputed question.
My Lord, petitioner is the, my Lord, Your Lordship, petitioner is the only legal heirs of the.
Maybe, but you are claiming service benefits in connection with the service of your father who was under the West Bengal, whose service was governed by West Bengal service rules.
No, my Lord, they have in the meantime.
So therefore, you approach the tribunal. I will keep the issue open, but the writ petition is not maintainable here.
Tribunal is vacant.
Yes. Yes, what you
tribunal-
are submitting, Mr. Karim?
My Lord, there is no judges at this moment, my Lord, except long with.
That is not the for that writ petition is not maintainable here. You have to file a original application there, and if there is no vacancy available, then you have to move the division bench. Is it the way that it will be moved before the single bench of the High Court? Learned advocate representing the state respondents submits that father of the petitioner
My lord, only that part we have a question.
Was
my
an
lord.
employee
Other-
under the Directorate of Dairy Development, Government of West Bengal. And service was governed by the West Bengal Service. And service was governed, and the service of the father was governed by the West Bengal Service rules. Next paragraph. It also appears from the submission made on behalf of the petitioner that petitioner is claiming certain benefits due to death or retirement,
Death.
due to death of his father. Stop. Writ petition is not maintainable at this stage. Stop. Next paragraph. Writ petition is not maintainable at this stage. It has four paragraph. Writ petition is not maintainable at this stage. Stop. Petitioner needs to approach West Bengal Administrative Tribunal in pursuit of remedy. Stop. Hence, writ petition stands dismissed. Next paragraph. However, this order shall not preclude the petitioner to take steps claiming identical benefit before the tribunal.
Only the introductory, my lord, sentence, my lord. We are not submitting that his father. Better, my lord, if your lordship pleases to quote the name, because we are disputing that he's not his father, according to the investigation.
Although this has already.
No, that is not a merit. We are submitting Ram Porichon Horijon.
Submits that the employee was
Yes.
working
Yes.
under Directorate of Dairy Development, Government of West Bengal. তারপরে না তারপরে and service of the employee দেখো was governed the West Bengal service rules. তারপর কি বলেছি? Next.
Item number 10. Then I appear for the petitioner, my lord.
My lord,
My lord's last direction. My lord was pleased to send the.
my lord, may have a look at the order dated 19th November. My lord, may have a look at the
Just
order. কোন নাম কি?
আমি সাহায্য করেছি।
এটা কি?
Senior.
For respondents. আমি জানি না, দেখে দিয়ে দাও।
Yes.
We have no instructions,
I have
nothing
communicated
from
to
the hospital.
Why?
That,
Yesterday, a letter was handed over to us by the commandant commandant hospital, which states
Lord,
that
may
they
have a
have
report from them, Lord, I don't know.
they have security reasons.
টিএম স্কুল লাইনে চলে যেত যেটা মানে সেটা যেটা ইচ্ছে টিএম স্কুল লাইনে চলে If you're
You are representing Union of India, you do not know.
no
that
information
in
has
your
been
presence, this order was passed previously, that that the command hospital will not medically examine the petitioner. It was your duty to bring it to this notice, because previously 3 petitions were referred to, where similar order, where a stand was taken on behalf of command hospital,
but
that
I was not there in
non-entitled persons are not permitted to enter into the
I
premises
was
of
not there
command
in
hospital.
the
This is
earlier
not
matters.
expected from you.
I was not there in the earlier matters, my lord. I didn't have any idea about this.
You should
Others-
have brought to the notice of the
Obviously, my lord, by
This is not expected of you.
but I was not there in those matters, my lord. How my lord,
This water has flown to river Ganges.
I didn't know about any order passed in the writ petitions, my lord. Otherwise, I would have pointed out. And the commando hospital has not informed
There
us
is a
anything.
writ petition being 20165 of 2020, Rajesh Burman versus Union of India, where certain reasons were assigned why these persons who are
Even
willing
the
to be appointed under CAPA are treated as non-entitled.
even my lord, the
category, and
persons,
they are
the
not permitted to enter for security reasons
even my lord, the
into the
instructing
premises of
persons,
command hospital.
the instructing persons who are present in court, they also did not instruct me to inform your lordship, my lord. I'm sorry, but I didn't have any knowledge about it.
Let the petitioner be examined by Kollani AIMS.
Yes. Now, may I have if my lord allows me, may I have a copy of what has been sent
Sure.
to your lordships? Or the letter given
Do
to
you
me?
ask your department to have a copy, to provide you a copy?
They also
It
don't
is
have a
through
copy.
registry, I will not provide you.
But the letter given to the petitioner, may we have a copy of that? The letter given to the petitioner, may we have a copy of that? Because nothing has been provided to
You are
us.
representing Union of India and you do not know. And a petitioner will supply a letter.
But the aims, the command,
Ask command hospital to supply you a letter.
my lord knows what
Yes.
happens, my lord.
Matter is taken up for consideration in terms of the order dated 19th November 2025. Stop.
আপনি এখানে আসুন না। হ্যাঁ।
Video order dated 19 November 2025. Superintendent, Eastern Command Hospital, Kolkata, was directed to make an arrangement for medical examination of the petitioner within a fortnight and submit a report before this court. Stop. Next paragraph. কি বলছিলাম সেন্টেন্সটা? হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট প্যারাগ্রাফ বলি, ঠিক আছে? During course of hearing, a report is submitted by a report dated 9 December 2025 is submitted by section officer, mandamus section, close bracket, enclosing a letter dated 9 December 2025. Issued by Brigadier IC BRIG করুন, হ্যাঁ, ব্রিক আইসি পেয়ে যাবে এখানটা, এই রিপোর্টটা। আইসি এডিএম এন্ড সিডিআর টিপিএস আলাদা আলাদা করে, টি ক্যাপিটাল, সবকটার ফার্স্ট লেটারটা ক্যাপিটাল, ফর কমান্ড্যান্ট, disclosing certain reasons for not medically examining the petitioner in terms of the order dated 19 November 2025. Stop. This court has perused this letter, perused the letter dated 9th December 2025. Stop. Copy of the report dated 9 December 2024, 2025 along with enclosures, including data dated 9 December 2025 are taken on record. Stop. Next slide. Accordingly, court directs head of the department nasal septum.
Designated nasal septum.
Court directs head of the department ENT Kalyani AIMS to medically examine the petitioner by fortnight from date and submit a report on the next day. The report will disclose whether petitioner is suffering from deviated nasal syndrome with deviated nasal septum, septum within bracket DNS or not, as divergent reports of medical experts are produced as divergent reports of medical experts on the issue whether petitioner is suffering from DNS or not are relied upon during course of hearing. Stop. List the matter under the same heading for further consideration on. January 2026. Stop. Next paragraph. Learned advocate representing the petitioner is directed to communicate this order. And order dated 19th November 2025 to the registrar Kalyani AIMS by 7 days from date and file affidavit of service on the next date. We ওটাকে fortnight বললাম না, by fortnight ওটা কেটে দাও, by 3 weeks করো, by 3 weeks from date.
Can it be on the 8th, my lord? 8th of January, my lord.
You have difficulty on 7th.
Subject to.
What is January?
8 January 2026.
Sorry, Lord. Sometimes we are also not told. If I am not told, not by the
Eastern Command Hospital, there are certain reasons you should have brought it to the notice of this
persons are here, they should have informed me, Lord. I could have informed your Lordship, Lord. The first order could have been this. I'm sorry, Lord.
Yes, next.
Sometimes we are in difficulty, Lord. I'm sorry.
Item number 11. Gentlemen, I appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, it has fallen from your, my lord, on the last occasion that we should inform your lordships by way of documents that as to whether the panel, what is the tenure of the panel, lordship. Lordship, I am cutting a sorry figure just for 3 days, my lord. I'll be having it on Monday, but verbal instructions, my lord, I have received, my lord. As my lord's officer, I can inform, my lord. My lord, then in our process, what happens is this particular process was initiated in 2023. And if my lord kindly comes to
Yes.
annexure P1 at page 19.
Page 19. Yes.
My lord will kindly appreciate that it's written that schedule of computer-based examination will be completed by in February, March 2024. So, my lord, the written examination was completed in March 2024. Subsequently, thereto, the medical examination was held as it is normally done, lordship. Now, my lord, what happened was
Physical standard test, and then medical examination.
Now, what happens is, my lord, the physical standard test is taken as last because that is the penultimate regarding.
First physical standard test,
Well,
then medical.
but these medical tests are being taken at the after they clear this written examination. So the entire problem started when the medical test was taken, and after that the review was taken by the board, and board also declared him unfit. Now, my lord knows, my lord, I am new, but my lord, just for a recapitulation, my lord, what happened? It is his contention that he was successful. He fared through the written examination. Only in the medical examination, initially it was declared as he has knock-knock knees. Subsequently, a review was undertaken. Review board also said, no, he is unfit because of knock-knock knees. Now, he is saying that in 2020, another similar examination for paramilitary forces, which he had appeared in, there was no problem with regard to his fitness, and a fitness certificate was given in 2020. And subsequently, when he was declared unfit in this particular test, he also underwent a checkup with PG hospital, that is in Calcutta. There also he got a fitness certificate. So the entire contention is that when in 2020 I was declared fit, I had no such problems. How could I have it in 2024? And in 2024, when I have been declared unfit, the PG report, which is subsequently there too, declares me fit.
So
there is a contention.
There are divergent.
Therefore, his case is, I'm being a devil's advocate. So this is the contention before your lordship. Now, two submissions, I am trying to make, very humbly. As far as we are concerned, what is the embargo? Not going into anywhere, because I have understood that the entire process of recruitment has been completed on 13/12/2024, and people have been given appointment. Now, 13/12/2024.
4.
Yes, lordship. Now, my lord, will kindly see.
Now, the court wants to see that what is the lifespan of the.
My lord, what I'm saying, my lord, I will surely come up, my lord. I am my lord's officer first, my lord. I have already told them to come with the document.
It struck court's mind that on 1st December 2025, writ petition was filed.
Yes, my lord.
Now, if it is beyond the lifetime of the panel,
yes, my lord, it is beyond the lifetime.
Yes, no right. So that to that extent, court wants to consider.
My lord, what I have understood verbally, my lord, I will surely come with those papers. My lord, will give me a breather of 1 week. On Monday, I will be before my lord. But my lord, what I want.
Entire exercise will be academic.
Yes, my lord.
Now, if it is found that within the lifetime of the panel, petitioner has approached this court, then he has a case.
Yes.
Otherwise, he doesn't have.
Yes, my lord, that
So
is what
that's why court wants to know
I-
from you that in other matters also, these matters are regularly being heard by this court concerning similar issues.
Lordship.
Where is the guideline or recruitment rules relating to lifetime of the panel?
My lord, here verbally I have been
So,
told.
and I also I would like to know from you that when the panel was finally prepared and when it expired.
My lord, in my respectful submission, what I can provide, put before, because I also had a word with the Ministry of Home Affairs, who are the people who actually give these guidelines with regard to paramilitary forces. What I could gather, that the standard rule is, my lord, whenever a recruitment is there, it is not like a panel which is in existence for a year or something like that. They complete the entire process, and as soon as that completion of entire process and the vacancies are full, it is put to rest. The board is formed for a particular purpose of recruitment. It undergoes all the paraphernalia as for.
Where is her?
Yes, my lord, that document, my lord, we will come, my lord, on Monday. Lordship will kindly
Come back on Monday.
my lord, because I also want to be on paper and pen.
Yes, that what is the guideline or rules
Yes,
governing this selection process?
my lord, guidelines, my lord, what they are saying is, my lord, guidelines, rules is this, that a board is.
Yes, board is formed. You are submitting. I get you that board is formed for a particular purpose of
Lordship.
selection, and after the selection is over, board is dissolved.
Yes, my lord.
So that board does not remain.
Yes.
So after dissolution of the board or after the selection is over, there is no scope.
Lordship.
But there may not be any specific rule relating to the lifetime of the panel.
Lordship, that is
But
what I.
try to find out and
My lord, I shall,
bring it to the notice of this
my lord,
court on the
if
next
there
day.
is no such thing, my lord, I will get instructions writing to this effect, my lord. Then, my lord, and
But
of
there
course,
has to be a time span so far life of the panel is concerned.
my lord, there should be, my lord. What
Otherwise, the selection process will not be transparent selection process.
I totally, my lord, bow down to whatever has fallen
Yes,
from, my lord.
that's why court
What I
directed
understand
you
legally.
to appear on behalf of
My lord,
requested
I'm
you are
grateful.
not
I'm
directed,
grateful for giving me this
requested you to appear on behalf of Union of
My lord, I'm
India.
grateful for the opportunity to assist my lord,
Yes,
because
yes.
I'm my lord's officer first, my lord, and I am trying to be a bridge, my lord, so that the litigation can come to a logical conclusion, my lord. That is to give justice to everybody, my lord. So, my lord, what I also want, I don't want to cut a sorry figure making submissions off the cuff from the bar, my lord. What I'm humbly submitting is I will come up with instructions in writing and produce it to this line.
Yes.
I'm grateful.
Matter is heard today when Mr. Dhiraj Trivedi, learned Deputy Solicitor General, representing Union of India, has prayed for further accommodation to produce before this court relevant rules / guidelines relating to lifetime of the panel or the period of selection process for filling up the posts of Constable GD under Central Armed Police Forces within brackets CPFs. Next one. Acceding to the request made on behalf of Union of India, hearing of this matter stands adjourned. List the matter under the same heading for further consideration on 18th December 2025.
Thank you so much. My lord.
Item number 12.
May I? Last of my lord was pleased to direct to serve the copy of the Mr. Jena. My lord, I have served on
Just
20.
Yes, what you are paying for?
It is a compassionate appointment. My lord, petitioner's husband and my lord, petitioner number 1, husband, my lord, was date on 30th April 2020.
There are two petitioners.
Two petitioners, son and
Who
mother.
are the petitioners? Mother and son. Mother is petitioner number 1.
One.
And the son is husband. Son is petitioner number 2. Now, when the employee died,
My lord, on 30th April 2020.
30th April 2020.
2020. Repeat
And you made an application on 4th May 2020.
2020.
Till date, it has not been considered.
My lord, during pendency of this application, my lord, in the month of March, they have over phone, they have handed over a pro forma on 7th March 2025. My lord, I have
They handed over a
pro forma. of
pro
this-
forma.
pro forma.
Yes.
Well, on 7th March 2025. I have duly filled up and I submitted this
Pro forma. Filled in
with
pro
all our
forma.
not exchange.
Thereafter, what happened?
Thereafter, nothing.
What is the procedure, my lord? The person died in the respective department, the person died, their name will be sent to the central list. Various department. The central list, the died in hundreds candidate, their name are there. After complying all these formalities, his name, perhaps his name has already been registered.
In the live roster.
Like central list.
Central.
Central list. There are two options, my lord. One is accident and other one the normal death during the tenure of his service. During the tenure of his service, he heart attack, he has expired, right? And the person who has accidentally on the spot, so there is any
During course of
duty accident.
Yes.
That
Accidental death.
immediate employment, there is an
And those accidental death cases are given preference.
preference.
Yes.
And here is a normal case. His name has been already registered.
So why till date already
No,
registered?
already 1400 names are on the panel, and the name is registered as per the date of the deceased, not the age or whatever may be. And there are various orders, your lordship, perhaps.
Now who are getting employment?
Now the employment totally banned, my lords, by the ministry, 2001. Entire
So now there are no appointments.
no appointment as of now, my lord.
But there is a scheme.
No scheme. This is the procedure. There is no recruitment rule as to the compassionate
But
appointment.
the scheme related
Scheme
to
is
appointment-
this. That I told your lordship too. Is a normal death, an accidental death, and normal death. The name from the various department, it will go to the central. There is a central list. In the central list,
to do one thing, one representation, I will grant them liberty to file a representation to the appropriate authority of Sama Prasad Mukherjee Trust, Port, and you take a decision on.
maybe your lordship, I bow down by that. But
Exposing all these things.
only all those things. Well, only
Exposing all these things.
his name already been registered. So far, I informed just now. His name already registered.
I will record your submission.
Then my
That
lord,
his name is registered, but till date grievance is this, that his
and
has
the
not been
1400
provided
persons
appointment.
are on the queue.
So disclose all these things, that these are the reasons for which appointments, you have to wait for
Lordship, there is
appointment.
no consider disclosing on it.
Who is the appropriate authority, Mr. Jena?
My lord,
দেখি কে আছে সমাপ্রসন্ন ডিরেক্টর সমাপ্রসন্ন হচ্ছে
চেয়ারম্যান আছে, ডিরেক্টর আছে।
চেয়ারম্যান হবে না,
ডিরেক্টর
ডিরেক্টর কে? ডিরেক্টর শ্যামাপ্রসাদ মুখার্জি, ও মেরিট ডিপার্টমেন্ট।
Three.
No, he is not a party. Actually,
The
party
writ-
should be the secretary and
In the writ petition, petitioner and her son. Now, petitioner number 2, now in the writ petition, petitioner number 1 is the petitioner number 1 is wife of deceased employee of Shama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata. And petitioner number 2 is son of deceased employee. Stop. It is submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioners that the employee died in harness on 30th April 2020, and thereafter application was made by the wife. Thereafter application was made by the wife on 4th May 2020 seeking appointment on compassionate ground due to untimely death of her husband. Stop. It is also submitted that in 2020, in the month of March 2025, a pro forma was forwarded to the petitioner and said filled in and filled in pro forma was filed before the concerned before the concerned authority of port. Stop. However, thereafter no steps till date have been taken for providing appointment to dependent to one dependent family member of the deceased employee on compassionate ground. Next paragraph, learned advocate representing port authority has submitted that as per norms, name of the petitioner whose name was included in the central list.
Name Orijit Sadhuka.
Petitioner number 2,
Orijit Sadhuka
son.
has been enlisted in the central list.
Land advocate representing port authorities has submitted that name of petitioner number 2 has been incorporated in central list,
And 1400 waiting in the central list.
and there are large number of candidates in the central list.
Awaiting.
They are being provided employment on compassionate ground in terms of date of respective employees chronologically.
Yes, yes,
Stop.
absolutely.
It is also submitted that accidental death cases are given preference. Next paragraph.
And
Having
ban-
considered
there
the
is a ban in
respective
2001.
submissions made on behalf of the parties,
There is a ban in 2001.
court finds no purpose would be subserved in keeping this writ petition pending as it is submitted on behalf of port authorities. That name of the petitioner is included in the central list. Next paragraph. Leave is granted to the petitioner number 2 to make a leave is granted to the petitioners to make a representation.
It is better to make a representation to the secretary.
To the director, Shama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata, being respondent number 3, claiming appointment on compassionate ground by fortnight from date. Stop. If such representation is made within the aforesaid time, respondent number 3 shall decide the same in accordance with law and pass a reasoned order within 8 weeks thereafter, and same shall be communicated to the petitioners by 10 days thereafter. Next paragraph. Writ petition stands disposed of urgently.
Only one thing kindly record, subject to Lordship approval. The ban was in since 2001.
Yes.
2001 ban from the Central Ministry. No
আচ্ছা,
recruitment
ওইখানে
then.
যেখানে ওই দেখবে অন বিহাফ অফ পোর্ট ল্যান্ড অ্যাডভোকেট যেখানে বললাম না, ইনক্লুডেড ইন দ্য সেন্ট্রাল লিস্ট and the preference is given to the accidental death cases বললাম, তারপরে একটা লাইন অ্যাড করো, it is also contended that due to ban imposed at present appointments are not being given on compassionate ground.
I'm grateful.
Yes, call the list.
Item number 13.
At item number 13, I'm appearing for the Respondent Union of India. My lord, there was a direction upon us to file a detailed report.
না না ঠিক আছে ওটা দেখছে
And
Yes.
I could not
What is the
obtain the report, my lord. I tried, but the department had some difficulty. So, my lord, they communicated to me if I could be granted another week so that we can produce the report. It's a humble request. 24th November.
24 কোথা থেকে আসবে
দিল্লি থেকে পাঠাবে বলে ও
Land advocate representing Union of India prayed for extension of time to file report in terms of the order dated 24th November 2025. Next paragraph. Hearing of this writ petition stands adjourned. List the matter under the same heading. Hearing of this matter stands adjourned করে list the matter কেটে দাও. Stands adjourned. Time to file report in terms of the order dated 24th November 2025 stands 24th November 2025 stands extended by 7 days. Stop. List the matter under the same heading for further consideration on 22nd December 2025.
deeply obliged, lordship.
Item number 14.
Subject to lordship's convenience, can it be on 18th, my lord? 22nd, my lord, I might not be available.
There are other matters.
My lord. আমি অন্য কাউকে বলে দেব। আপনি থাকবেন তো?
আমি থাকবো আমি পুলিশের পক্ষে থাকবো আই এম গ্রেটফুল ম্যান
Lordship, I am for the petitioner led by Mr. Proposed Secretary.
I appear for the respondent in this matter.
নিতে চেষ্টা করেছিলাম যে উনি অ্যাডভোকেট অন রেকর্ড না বলবেন, কিন্তু রেকর্ডে এখনো ওনারই নাম আছে।
Report.
I have handed over a copy of the report to my learned friend. The erstwhile advocate on record is probably no longer on.
Yes.
Lordship, the advocate on record for the petitioner who is on record, we tried to serve him on 8th itself as per the direction, but we were informed that he is no longer in this matter.
Yes, what is the matter about?
But the petitioner, my lord, petitioner is a, my lord, employee of
Yes, what is the stand of the you have challenged this termination order dated 6 January 2025. Yes, what is the stand of the respondent?
Lordship, there was certain negligence on the part of the employee.
Yes.
An inquiry was held. As per the inquiry report, Your Lordship, which is annexed to my report, this is at page number, an inquiry report starts at page number 17, Your Lordship. It was found that 4 trolleys, this person, the petitioner, he was the junior officer customer service who was in charge of ensuring that all the luggage in the aircraft is loaded. Lordship, on this particular occasion, on 2nd of December 2024, 4 bags were left, in the sense 4 trolleys containing 82 baggages were left behind. Lordship, as the officer, the senior officer, he was supposed to first ensure that the total number of trolleys to be loaded in the aircraft had to be ascertained by him. During the inquiry, it was found, and
He was a ground staff, senior officer.
Yes, Your Lordship. He has been an employee since 2011. This is an incident of
No, but
2020.
if there are certain allegations, then you have to follow the procedure.
Lordship, the inquiry was held. A show cause notice was issued. He has replied to the show cause as well. Thereafter, termination has taken place. Your
Inquiry
Lordship.
was held.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Inquiry report was supplied to the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship. Page 17 is the inquiry report. And Your Lordship, he was a contractual employee. Nevertheless, the inquiry was held. A report was given. Lordship, the conclusion is at page 19.
Then after this inquiry report, this report was forwarded to the petitioner, granting opportunity to petitioner to make deliberation against this inquiry report.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then there was an issuance of second show cause notice.
Show cause notice was given, to
Indicating
which he has
proposed
replied. To which the show...
Getting proposed punishment.
No, Your Lordship. That was not done.
That was not done.
No, Your
But inquiry notice was, inquiry report was forwarded. After inquiry report, chance was given to deliberate on this inquiry.
Yes, yes, Your
To make deliberation on this inquiry.
Yes.
And then this order of punishment was, order of termination was issued.
Lastly, the termination was issued. Yes, Your Lordship.
Then these things are not disclosed in your writ petition.
Well, I was not given a chance to controvert the inquiry report.
Then exchange your affidavits. It's not an issue to be decided on report.
Well, I understand.
All issues cannot be
But,
decided.
I
on-
understand. But let it be done on basis of the affidavit.
Have you disclosed these things?
Yes.
That there were inquiries and these are the inquiry report where you have stated.
Everything. Well, kindly come to paragraph.
Lordship, the show cause has been mentioned in the petition. The inquiry has...
6 onwards. The petitioner has rendered diligent, faithful service, the ramp work. On 30th July, receiving information about the death of petitioner's grandmother, he sought half-day leave. Then Lordship kindly come to paragraph
Diligent, faithful services to
14. Surprisingly, on 2nd December 2024, your petitioner...
Yes, which paragraph?
14.
Paragraph 14.
Yeah, Surprisingly, on 2nd December 2000.
Show cause notice.
Show
But
cause
where is the
notice.
where are the statements relating to holding inquiry?
And thereafter, petitioner reply on the same date, handwriting, type copy, de-roster issued. Then this one, Lordship kindly come to 15 also. Reply 16 on 3rd.
Forget about show cause. Where is the inquiry statement?
17, my lord, preliminary hearing, no clarification was sought from the airport building. The CCTV footage
That is relating to
this was the
preliminary inquiry.
That was the
After issuance of charge sheet, where is the inquiry?
nothing happened.
Inquiry was conducted.
Charge sheet is not given, my lord.
You have not issued any charge sheet.
After the inquiry of 19th December, the report which I just shown,
Roster and terminated.
They were derostered and he was terminated.
Under what provision?
Lordship, he was a contractual employee. Under the contract, if your Lordship sees the letter of engagement of the employee, your Lordship, clause 12, is the page of the report. Your Lordship will kindly come to page number 12, clause 12. Your services, your services shall be 12.1 shall be liable to be terminated if it is noticed that you have involved yourself in the following acts. This, your Lordship, 12.3 on the next page. Further, your employment can be terminated without any cause by the company giving you 3 months. 12.3, page 13. Page 13 at the bottom. And page 14 at the top. Notice of termination shall be served in written form.
No. It says further your employment can be terminated without any cause. But here it is, you are terminating him with a stigma.
With the show cause.
So where is the inquiry?
Lordship, the inquiry that the
If it's a simple, if it is a case of termination simpliciter, then 12.3 will apply. If it is not a case of termination simpliciter, with a stigma, you are terminating him without giving chance of opportunity of hearing.
No, your Lordship.
And issuance of charge sheet without charge sheet.
Lordship, opportunity of hearing was
Yes,
given
but where
twice.
is the charge sheet?
Lordship,
A
there's no
man who
charge.
is working from 2011. 2011, where is the charge sheet?
No, your Lordship, there's no charge.
Then your service is no more required. In terms of 12.3, you are hereby removed from service.
Lordship.
Question would have been different. Your employment can be terminated without any cause. Without any cause. But it is not a case of termination simpliciter.
Lordship. 19th December.
If you are terminating a candidate or an employee with a stigma,
yes,
then where is the procedure followed?
Yes, your Lordship.
But that's because this may this may be a reason for future disqualification for getting employment. Then where is the reason?
Lordship, that is not there. But on the other hand, the contract has also expired in July 2025.
But that is not the reason for termination.
That is not the reason for termination. In fact, the termination notice clearly mentions about the fact that he has been terminated in terms of clause 12.1d, which is the fact that due to negligence in service.
Where? Termination notice?
Yes, your Lordship, page 34.
And D. Misconduct. E is misconduct. Inefficiency.
Yes,
so these are the allegations.
Yes.
So then you have to follow the procedure.
Lordship, 19th, the inquiry was held. he was given a
That
show
what
cause notice.
inquiry? It's a preliminary inquiry.
Lordship, 28th
But
December,
you need to issue a charge sheet.
Your Lordship, the show cause was given after the inquiry, to which he has replied. We have considered the reply, and thereafter this termination has taken place.
But where is
there
the
is
where,
no,
where is
there
the
is no charge
compliance
sheet.
of natural justice?
Lordship, there were two inquiries held. One was a questionnaire which is there with the
Where are the rules relating to drawing up proceedings against the employees?
Lordship, in the case of a contractual employee, there is no
There is no such rule.
no.